Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is rhymes and rhyming words for class KG, subject English. First, objectives. Children will be able to identify and produce rhyming words. Children will enjoy participating in rhyme based games and activities. Teaching aids. Rhyming picture cards, cat, hat, sun, run, dog, log, etc. You can take any other picture cards which you want. Simple rhyming storybook example brown bear, rhyming dust bunnies. So, next is nursery rhyme song. Introduction, greeting, and warm up. So, to start the lesson, teacher will play a popular rhyming nursery rhyme like down by the bay or the cat came back. So you can play these rhymes. Let the kids enjoy, sing and dance with you. Next, teacher will briefly explain. Did you hear some words that sounded the same? Those are called rhymes. So you will explain the students that what are rhymes. Write 2-3 pairs of rhyming words on the base board. Example, cat, hat, sun, run. So you can write on the board. So and then you have to say aloud slowly and emphasize the ending sounds. Ask what sounds the same. Next, quick brainstorm. Who can think of a word that rhyme with dog? So students let the students answer and silly answer should also be encouraged. Now story time. So teacher will read a simple rhyming book. Each time they or students means hear a rhyme, so students will hear a rhyme. They have to clap or touch their nose. Teacher will pause occasionally and ask what two words rhyme just now. Now rhyming games. So first is rhyme match, picture card game, so in which teacher will spread rhyming picture cards on the floor. Kids have to find matching rhyming parts like bat, hat, frog, log, so they will match according to the rhymes. Next, rhyme train. So start a train, kids in a line, hands on a shoulder, and then teacher will say a word, example ball, and each child says a rhyming word as a train moves forward. If child can't think of a word, they go to back and try next round. So this is a train game for the rhyme which you can play in your class. Next, activity, so you can give worksheet in which with a picture, example a cat, and space, and give them space to draw something that rhymes like a hat. So if you have given the picture cat, so students will draw a hat, so kids can share their drawing with the class at the end of this activity. Next, worksheet. So you can give this simple worksheet to your student in which you will ask to correct rhyme with picture. Circle the correct rhyme with picture. So student will see that this is the map and what is the correct rhyming. Is it nut, cap or bag? So map with the rhyme with the cap. So student will circle the cap. Car. So here is jar, lip or sun. So for the car, jar will be rhyming word. So circle the jar. Log, lip, frog, pen. So log, frog. Bed, head. Hat, cat. So students will circle the rhyming words with a picture. Now, last conclusion. So, you can conclude by doing the quick review about what is rhyme and can also ask them for their favorite rhyme from today. And last, you can sing a final short rhyme together. Now, here I have added two more worksheets of rhyming words in my video. First is match the rhyming words, in which students will match the rhyming words, and the second one is circle the rhyming words. So here student will circle the rhyming words. Thank you for watching.